Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix. This video is not available because something is wrong in WhatsApp. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, open your Play Store, then search here WhatsApp. If here your WhatsApp not up to date, then update from here, press on update. After doing this, go back, go to the settings, then select here apps, search here WhatsApp. Press on force stop, press on force stop, press on storage, then press on clear cache. After doing this, once you restart your mobile, hope your problem will be resolved. That's it guys, so in this video fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends, hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.